Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Patatas Al Alajillo, and this one is another known Spanish tapas, and it's super easy to make, and it smells amazing. It's heavenly. The taste is just as good, if not better than it smells, and the flavors are just nice, bold, and they come through. And it's a very easy way to make potatoes when you're bored of typical fries. So let's show you guys how to Patatas Al Alajillo. Here we have a kilogram of potatoes as well that we've cut into cubes, about 1.5 centimeters, like the patatas bravas. We have here pepper and salt, as much as you want per your taste. 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're using extra virgin Spanish olive oil. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. 3 cloves of garlic that we've cut into small pieces. 2 tablespoons of parsley, and half a tablespoon of smoked Spanish paprika. And this one is medium, so not the hot one and not the sweet one. It's in between. We're going to fry our potatoes until golden brown. So our potatoes look nice and golden brown. They look ready. So we'll take them off the heat. So you just take your potatoes out of the oil and you put it in a plate lined with a paper towel. And to that we're just going to add salt. And just shake it a little bit to make sure that the salt gets evenly distributed. So on medium heat we're going to add our olive oil, about a tablespoon to 2. Now we're going to add in the garlic. And we're going to saute that until they start to get golden brown. So once you start to smell the aroma of the garlic, we're just going to add in the smoked paprika. This recipe you have to follow your sense of smell more. So once you can start to smell the aroma of the paprika, we're going to add in the vinegar. Next, we add in the pepper. And now we're going to toss the potatoes into the sauce. It's going to coat our potatoes with the sauce. So now we're going to add the parsley and give it a gentle toss, and we're done. They look ready and they smell amazing, so now it's time to serve. So this is our patatas al ajillo and it's ready, and as you can see it's nice and golden brown. So yeah, and the flavors, the spices, they all come through and they smell amazing. While I was making it, it smelled amazing. Everything smells amazing. And not gonna lie, I did taste test it back while I was making it, and the flavors were really there. They were all nice, bold, and they came through. So yeah. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord so you guys can support me to make further content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.